You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name. Quite popular a name, but yes, some people get confused on how to pronounce it. So let's clear things up. If you want to learn more confusing names, stay tuned. I've got many more for you. English pronunciation. Logan. Both British and American English pronunciations are similar here. Low, yes, just like the word spelled L-O-W, low. Gun, so it's not Logan in English, it's Logan with a schwa sound and a sound, like a gun almost. Logan, stress on the first syllable. How to pronounce Logan? Do you pronounce it any other ways? Was this any useful? Let us know in the comments down below. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.